Where are you going, Ge?
What is happening here? Where are you going, Ge?
Layas.
Vacation.
I'm not used to your teeth, Ge. That is very it looks like it looks good, but it's just that I'm not used to it now after few years. And here's Maribin, and they are all criticizing each other's outfit.
That's why I'm comfortable.
Marites said, "Oh, your outfit is old-fashioned." She's wearing a like dress. Maribin,
Flex my outfit.
very nice. And Maribin also, Marites said, "Your outfit is too much." So they're criticizing each other's outfit, whatever. But anyway, guys, we have a big plan. And before our big plan, I just wanna give a little update from Dennis. Just texted him this morning, and they went fishing today. And
Fishing?
Wow.
yeah,
Wow,
yeah, they went fishing today, and then tomorrow they have a big plan with his son's girlfriend's family that they're going somewhere to the ocean or to the beach.
Wow.
And yeah, they're
Wow.
yeah, so I'm glad that Dean is having fun, and then I also let him know about what we're gonna do today. So the big plan today, who's gonna say, Marites?
We're going to hometown of Rene Butterbun.
Wow.
Yay! We are going to visit where they bury him. It's supposed to be a new cemetery, and he's the first person to be buried there.
Yeah, first person.
Yeah. So
That place the they held the Palarong Pambansa 2026
Oh.
this year. Yeah.
oh yeah.
And their government planning to
Make
make us
Cemetery.
Yeah.
So we are going to visit there. It was just a plan last night, guys. And we told Annabelle about it, and she canceled her work schedule because she wants to come. She is the big fan of Rene
Rene.
Butterbunya even before what happened to him, before he died.
She followed the the Palarong Pambansa. She watched the
Yeah, she likes basketball. Yeah.
She know already Rene before what happened.
Yeah. We don't even know Rene
Before.
before what happened, and after what happened, like all of a sudden everybody knows him, and then crying about him. So anyway, that's our plan, and Rusa is gonna come too. So there's 5 of us.
Yeah,
Tris-
we are just preparing our things
in case.
in case if
we're gonna spend the night.
Yeah.
Yes, that's true. So 3 sisters and 2 cousins, and the reason for our bag pack is, in case that place is a little far away. So if we have to spend the night, then at least we're just gonna spend at a very cheap motel or whatever. We can survive. No shower, or as long as there's an AC. We can survive.
Pirmi sa mo way isiltit pa.
Marites said, I'm okay without an AC. I can't
Yeah, I
stand
can
it. So,
tolerate had to.
yeah. Well, anyway, we need to get ready because Annabelle, they're also on the way to where we're gonna pick them up. And yeah, these are our bags.
This is our road trip.
Yes,
Yeah, road
excited.
trip. Marites is very excited. Everybody's
Marcus is happy
excited.
now except last night.
Yeah. Yeah, she's happy now. Last night she was very mad at her classmate. An update, guys, for today. I'll take videos of our journey today. Just need to stop by quickly, guys, to add air on all the tires to make sure, because this is gonna be a
Long trip.
long trip.
Long ride.
Long ride. We need to take a break, ha? Anawa lagi sa yura kayo sila.
Sini mo si Bunggo ba?
Dugay kayo na makagawa. Kaya.
They are already waiting for us, but I need to put air, then after this put gas.
Na di na jud masilbi uy. 9:33 na.
The plan is we're gonna leave at 7 o'clock
What a Pinoy time.
Filipino
Kini
time.
magdugay nagmata.
Now they're blaming me because I woke up late. Pwede di rami mo gawas do.
Pila lagi na ma'am.
35 man ni. Doon pa. Ay, Oy, 35 tanan. Now it's time to put gas. The gas right now is 73.
90.
73.90 for the regular and the premium. Asa premium? They don't have the price in there. But the gas is a lot cheaper now compared to months ago. Yeah. Hi guys!
Hi, guys!
Now picking up Annabelle and Rosa!
Ay, dari yan, ay. Sige, sige.
And here's the Kaprakno. Uy! You're not going like? You don't wanna go? Ano man?
Kanding.
Because he's concerned about his 10 goats. Pila na imuhang kanding?
Tiin naman.
He has 10 goats and nobody's gonna feed them or put them in the grass wherever.
Ang bagi, bro, sa hari.
So Marites, we drop her off because she has to get some clothes at her apartment and we're just gonna come pick her up. Maribin over there.
She gets some outfit.
Yeah,
She says.
mo ingon ni Igian.
Like,
Hmm.
puyog talig ta.
You wanna come Lig?
Like, klik talig.
Tuyog.
Alright, let's go guys!
Go!
They're ready!
Di mo
Ha?
puyog.
Ano lagi?
Di mo puyog.
Di mo uban?
How na kung picture. Okay guys, we are going now. Say hi.
Oh, complete na!
Girls night, girls out. Girls out, girls
Yeah.
out.
Five of us. All complete now.
Yeah, we are good to go. We put air on the tire and gas on it, so we're good to go.
Let's go guys!
Let's go guys! Let's go guys! Marites, Tessie, Marites. Emergency Montevista. Welcome to Moncayo.
Town of Moncayo. We're just gonna pass by because we need to focus on our real destination.
I'm the vlogger. Joke.
Maribin's
Practice
practicing.
over.
Just a quick update guys. Moncayo, then what's next?
Trento.
Is it? Trento. See you in Trento.
See you in Trento, guys.
Nice road here. Past Moncayo going to Trento. Nice, nice.
Very nice. Ipanggutom sila, guys.
They got hungry guys and we didn't eat breakfast. Ay, they're gonna make a video.
Family of vlogger. Muhatan dyan nila ni Center Island dali mo.
Tama?
Wow, naka-video ang mga buwan.
Is this Trento? Really?
It's of Trento.
It's just a small town.
Yeah.
Just like Montevista or Naguturan.
Nindot pa ang mabuturan.
Unitigo. Trento.
Welcome to Trento Budiga.
Is that what it said?
Oh, Trento Budiga. Ano yun? Diriguro ilang taon mo.
Yeah.
Very exciting to go on a road trip because
Are you still okay, guys? Yes, we are. We are excited.
Wait, what is that? What is that there?
Shopping
Mall nila
center.
dire?
Oh, Mercury
It's
Drugstore.
like Montevista na guys.
Turan.
Ah, dako
May mall.
Oy,
Regular lang.
Trento
Oh,
Terminal.
Ay. Wala ni, Trento. Welcome to Trento.
Wow. So
Ay,
we're on
wow.
the right path.
Yeah, Welcome, Padayon Bunawan. Welcome,
Welcome, Rene, Bert, Baterbonia.
Welcome.
This is just Bunawan, guys. We're not even into the, but you know, this is where he passed by when they
Going to their town.
the funeral.
Princess
Next is what? San Franz. San Franz or Prosperidad?
San Franz. Iwit ang Prosperidad.
Wow, so we already went through Bunawan? Or not yet?
Or wala pa nakagawas.
Very, there's a lot of trees here, guys, in their, in the side of their road.
Bunawan National High School. Dapat yung nag-stay diri lang. Construction road.
Yeah, there's
everywhere.
Lots of construction.
Ala, doon na ta.
Uy, Manugo Heritage.
Duol na tagi.
Sa San Franz?
We're near
I guess San Franz, maybe we're 30 minutes away.
Ay,
San
doon pa
Fran.
din paghuman sa Bunawan, Rosario, pa di ay.
Is it a town, Rosario?
Or
Sa mga nagawin ni para sa mga municipality ba?
Santa Josefa,
What is this?
Esperanza, Bayugan, Mati.
Is this Rosario?
Rosario Municipality. Wait, Sigin Inland Resort.
No, no, Rosario.
Rosario.
Agusan del Sur.
Welcome to
Big trees, oh. Big
Wow, nice, nice.
municipality. Ay, mao to lang municipality.
Buyawan.
There's another
Buyawan. Buyawan.
billboard for Rene
Rene.
Baterbonia.
Oh, wow. Really. They welcome him.
Rosario.
What is this?
Grace Ong Enterprises.
Parang siguro na hardware.
Hardware siguro.
So, see you in San Franz. Isn't it the
The next
San Franz?
stop is city naman ni
Yeah, San Franz is a city.
San Francisco. Ow!
Oh my goodness.
Alam mo, gurito kay lain kay wala pa dyan kusyon ni ilang kuwan diri ba?
Nakamata na guys ang passenger out there. Na bukol lang.
Lain lagi lang mga kuwan diri no kay ganang wala yung mga kusyon pa nga mo na na iba. No ana ganin tamo mo jud tanay dapat.
Ini kimong signal.
We are in San Francisco, guys. Oh,
San Francisco.
Oh, San
California.
San Francisco, California. Oh wow, they have a Grand Mall here.
San Francisco. San
Wow.
Francisco gani. San
Wow.
Francisco, California.
Welcome to San Francisco, California.
Gijuan ni mo katong guys ano
Francisco.
San Francisco. Oh,
Right.
McDonald's.
Where are we gonna go? We need na hotel oh. Na hotel.
Sa Karindere.
Oh, ano lang tayo na.
We need to find a carinderia so we can eat.
Carinderia, guys.
We hope we can
Looking
find.
for Carinderia, guys.
Recommend guys. Wait, naraw Butuan, Barubo, Tanda. Asa man ta?
Barubo.
Asa man ta ba?
Terminal.
Where should we go?
Ay, dili na lang. Ay,
Inasal oh. Ay, dili man na
Very
kuwan nga,
Inasal
Inasal.
barbecue.
Ay, Jitpit Restaurant and Grill. Tara oh. Tara oh. Tara oh.
Oh, di 150 unsa man to nang 150.
Where can we park?
ano, tapos sa Nabara ba? Mahawa lang po yung Nabara. Atrasan ka ni.
Ay, diri na lang.
Masig magsita ka. Ay, sa mall ni diri? Ay, restaurant man yun.
Mao nang restaurant.
Oh, coffee shop. Pwede ra diha magdain sa babaw. Pwede ra po.
Ah, diri may pwede magparking. Pwede ma'am.
Ito eh, ato lang tapuan, Pastor.
We're looking for parking.
Antiparahay bara mo lagi.
Ikaw ginom, usa di kay kang ilim ka.
May na lang. Wa man pud tay giharm nga tao. Kat-kat lang.
Ano, di ako pa ako dito ba? So we're gonna eat at this place guys. Jet Pet Restaurant and Grill. Sa ubos ta sa taas. Pamay din ako. It's new to us, that's why we're kind of like, oh, looking around.
Sige mo.
Asam ta? So we're ordering chicken guys. Chicken is it barbecue grilled chicken. Waiting for it. Ha? Wala na.
Fit or kanin? Fit restaurant.
Normal ni Tim. We move a seat guys. Picture. We were sitting in there, but you know, we would like here because this is like a booth. This is a booth. There's a
Yeah, the other
soft drink.
customer is just left.
Yeah.
They're done na. Pretty na.
Tapos sabi, kamaot kayo.
Waiting.
Let's wait guys for our order. Masaya ba yun? Picture. While waiting, I like their design.
Nice ambiance.
Aesthetic. Yeah.
Instagram post for Instagram.
Yes. Pang picturing ng mga kuwan diri gyud. Here goes our order. Ikaw. Picture.
As always.
Oh, thank you. Let's eat guys.
Sit guys.
And it's raining.
Saan?
Tisaan daw. Dire, murag-murait daw ta. There is a kuan roundabout. It's raining now guys. Oh.
Lagi nang imitar pa.
Grabe
Yan o.
pala ko gisi-visit.
Lainan ni si Iggy. Uy.
On the way.
Total Lakugon guys. Wow.
Shortcut road, guys.
Wow, it's amazing.
Pasian.
Look at this. Like you can tell that it's a different place from. It's so far from where they live.
Oh, gibong na ni, gibong.
Ah, what is this?
River.
Gibong River.
Oh, pag nakulit yung views.
There's tilapia siguro.
Ay, dili lang mga halwan di pa I noticed here guys, like it seems like they have a lot of trees in here compared to where we live.
Trees.
Yeah, a lot of sana ako
Uy, gulayan oh. Ay, kalabasa ba? Ay, squash.
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 farm. Wow.
Wow.
Kung pabitaw sa kanan kay wala tanaw.
Corn.
Corn, there is.
Coconut.
Wow.
More province.
Yeah, very province here. Hopefully we'll be there guys in less than an hour. So see you there.
See you there, guys.
No rain here.
No rain. Saan naman itong GPS diragi? Buhi pa.
Sige, go pa, go.
Layo pa daw, uy.
Ano siguro mga tao diri okay mga kuan kay. So as of the moment, guys, we are here in, I don't know if this is a town or a barrio, but it's, there's a Del Monte right there.
Like,
It's like a barrio, not a town.
Pasara ko na red wonder na ligitan lang ko.
Asa man?
Turo ko na red.
Turo,
Oh, Talakugon bitaw.
layo pa daw pa, straight tra.
I guess we have to go straight on this road. About maybe 30 minutes.
I think it's boundary. Yeah. Ay, Del Monte Talakugon siya, uy.
Ay, Del
Pero Del Monte Talakugon. So, barrio na siya sa Del
Yeah, it's a barrio. It's a barrio.
Ay, baryo.
Okay.
Sige, go.
So we stopped by here, guys, because they bought some candles, and then we were looking for
Uy, wala
flowers.
ate, puspuro.
Uy, what type of puspuro? Nabuo.
Kaya nga, bye. Ikaw lang saan, be?
Lighter or puspuro?
Lighter.
Yeah, lighter. Lighter na lang.
Ah, wala na.
So, guys,
Guys, we're about to
our destination is here.
in there, guys.
In there, up there. So,
Yeah, we're just gonna wait for this.
yeah. Yeah, this is our
Destination.
destination.
Oh my God.
Pwede abrihan ako.
Yeah.
Ay, naaday
This is the place.
Oh my God.
The Palarong Pambansa held in here.
Dili, una naman, dili.
Ako ganing gikuan ng place.
This is where they do the palarong pambansa, eh?
The archery
Park. Ay, this is the place.
Ay, mga visit.
Yeah, I think there are people
The archery
that
must
visit.
work. Diri ang gihiro.
Archery
Where
nga
can we park?
Everywhere.
Ay, lahi po dahi ang kuanan.
Wala tayo flower.
Wala, wala na.
Diri po dahi po siya yung destination.
Well, maybe we can park here.
Slow down. Puno siguro ni tao ni no?
Dili kayo gilimit man ang tao.
Ay, gilimit. 2.2. Daga flowers.
Hello, let's go, guys. Let's
Very
go.
missionary.
Oh my gosh.
I really can't believe.
Hello. Oh my gosh.
Ay, ala.
Ay, magkwanta ka. Kuyo-kuyo. Apang magkuy nagkuan.
Yeah, unahon sana to sila. We're gonna let them, yeah.
Hindi magtanong-tanong.
Well, there are people there. We're gonna see all the flowers. Sus taasa juday bataan, no? I'm gonna take a picture also. Grabe, daghan na, no? Grabe, bulak. Uy. Wow. Look at all these flowers, guys. A bunch of them. Because he got buried about 1 week ago na.
Wala ka.
About 4 days ago.
Mercury. Ay, Mercury. Oh, 4 days ago.
Wala, uy. Grabe, no?
Uy.
Kuan, patanaw daw patong video na.
So this is the area, guys. This is gonna be the new cemetery, and he is the first one to be buried here.
We can't believe that we
We are
we really can't believe.
yeah, it's like overwhelming feeling, ano? Yeah, it's very
Who would have thought that
yeah,
we made a decision?
yeah, to come here.
Picture gi ang go to
Hulkuan jud mo.
Picture. I can't believe, guys, we're finally here. He is the kid with the big dream.
Dali lang.
Diri di ko.
Ayo kay bigyan man.
Bidyuhian. Ay, bidyuhi.
Iputol ra na. Bada tapos magba. Sige dali ada. Picture with video or ay video with picture di ay. Inana ko nimo.
Ayaw gi dagkot ano. Ayaw ikuan ko an.
Ha? May taga-taklo.
Wala ko lambalay ganay mga dekong bisita.
Ay na lang, na shake this.
Na ay. Naligo sa tati. I-ay na to. Kita di pinakadugay ni Hawa.
Took us a while. At least we have remembrance.
Yeah.
I guess we're going home. Asa naman ta?
Tapos bakit pa tayo? Layo lagi no. Ito rin ako tamagi ulit.
Uy, gibilin lagi to namong lighter sa.
Ibilin na to. Ang kwan ba?
Ano ibilin man? Do you want to leave the lighter in there?
Uli dito
In case somebody wants to use it, ha?
Balik na lang ta.
Should we go home or should we spend the night?
Ay dili ba ni uli na to sa tamagi.
Dito ara ta maabi kay.
Oh. Wow.
Atong isulti akong how we feel. Now, like feel relief.
Yeah.
I feel
really
relief.
different. Like it's
Yeah.
comparing to
Just saw the videos in the social media, in the TV. Yeah. So
Now you can sleep tonight.
yeah maybe.
yeah. The other night, or I mean last week, feel like stressed or depressed. I mean I feel sad. Yeah, I really feel sad about that.
Yeah.
So
It's just a very sad, and I'm very glad that we came here. And
yeah, I was just I mean I really wish that I could saw this place where he buried. Yeah. I
yeah.
just wish that, and now it came
yeah.
came true.
Yeah.
True. Yeah, it's came true. I'm really glad for the driver, the good driver, and the company.
Even me,
The best.
I didn't think even a single time that I will be here.
Yeah.
me too.
Because it's really hard in this place.
it's
too
too
far.
far.
Yeah, very far. So last night when we talked about it, we have about 3 options, and then everybody picked this place.
Yeah, I'm the one.
And I'm okay. Yeah, when I go, maybe we should go visit Rene Baterbonia's
And
place. Yeah, and then Annabelle, when she found out, oh yeah, I'm gonna cancel my work and I'm gonna come. So, wow. Even now, guys, there are still people visiting the, the grave. Yeah, even though he got buried about 5 days ago, 4 or 5 days ago. Amazing that people from all over the place pay their respect, came here and paid their
Yeah.
respect.
The people is kind of non-stop visiting in here.
Yeah. So, I guess, guys, we don't know exactly what we're going to do, but we'll find out here very soon. Are you guys ready to
Yes.
do our next move?
Yeah, always ready.
Okay.
Ready, guys.